Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Alright, today I'm printing out a couple of dust masks. It's not really on a usage point of view. I'm basically going to print out this stuff to give the 3D printer some kind of a challenge. So I pull these files off Thingiverse and I'm just giving them a little try out here to give the 3D printer some exercise. Check it out. So as I said, I'm doing this print to give my 3D printer some sort of exercise, see what I can do with it, how far I can push it. And it did do these prints. Now of course, if you're going to do this print, you're going to need some sort of filter. You can place some active charcoal in this stuff and have your nice mask. You can put some sort of filter cloth also, have you some kind of dust mask, but it's basically emergency kind of a stuff because you can always go and buy a mask. Alright, so this is the end of this part. Now I'm going to move into another experiment I have, trying to 3D print on paper. So this platform I'm printing on is A4, I believe A4 paper. I taped to the printing bed. Now this thing is for printing, doing 3D prints that are not too high, that are not tall, okay? And it worked out well. So using this A4 paper was a success. The print stuck to the print bed so well that I had to use a razor blade to cut the print away from the paper. So as an emergency way of printing short prints, I think it's a go-to. Printing a visor on a piece of paper might not be the right choice for you. But what if you have a small print to do and you don't have adhesives? Think about it. And AFP Connect is out. So, in conclusion, I'll use my tape to 3D print. But I do know what I can do if I don't have tape one day. So, I'm out. Finally. Have a good one. Psych.